You don't have to be broke. You don't have to be financially struggling. There's a simple way to do better for each of us, but most people just don't know what it is. What you have to have is you have to have certain skills if you want to create financial independence for yourself. And those skills are available to every one of us. I spend a lot of time helping people understand what those skills are, showing them how they can actually develop those skills. I hope that for this year, you'll make a decision that you want to develop those skills. You want to put money worries behind you. You want to be able to take care of your family better. Those are the things that I'm talking about, and that's one of the things that I think a lot of people, they want it, but they don't know what to do. And so what I want to do is I want to encourage you guys to know this. There's 7 essential resources that are required to create financial independence and financial freedom. Money is one of those resources. If you've got 6 of the 7, the money is usually pretty easy to get because there are people out there who don't have the time, the energy, or even the desire to learn the other 6. And they would gladly partner with you on certain types of investment opportunities as long as you can show them what's in it for them. And so I personally use mortgage contracts and real estate deals to accomplish this. I'll learn the skills that I need for a particular investment, and then I partner with people with money, and I show them how they can benefit themselves richly while I do the work. And that has literally made me wealthy, and it doesn't take very long. And any of you guys can do this. It's got nothing to do with your credit. It's got nothing to do with your formal education. None of that matters. What matters is, do you know how to spot a good opportunity to invest? Do you know how to vet that opportunity? That's a question, right? If you know how to do that stuff, then there's really nothing that can stop you from creating wealth. So I'm going to suggest to you guys that you head on over to noteinvestoruniversity.com and check us out, because there is where I teach people how to invest in mortgage contracts and then how to use other people's money to buy those mortgage contracts. And you do it in a win-win scenario. There's no losing for anybody when you do this thing right. So if you do that, guys, everything will work out for you. But you've got to get the skill set under your belt. All right? So I hope you guys will take me up on this. Let's move forward and make this year your best year ever.